But now the 2 years have been left. Any plan of joining any party? Any...
See, I have not planned on joining anybody. I will be supporting the Congress. I have told you many times. There is no this. We have to come together and support one party. We have to support one party because what is happening is, I fear for the Catholics, but I think I fear for Goa because the secular fabric of Goa is being torn. It is not the Catholics who are in danger. It is Goa which is in danger. Because आता तर minority जर attack करून लागले, the way it is going now, it is bad for Goa, not bad for Catholics. It is bad for Goa, and there are too many secular Hindus in Goa that can put an end to this. Only thing they have to understand what is happening in Goa. There are too many secular Hindus in Goa. I hope they will not have let this happen. See, I don't think
the way the party is being run.
that you all know better than me. But I don't think BJP has a chance. If everybody comes together, I don't think BJP has a chance.
Congress and Aam Aadmi already they are in a war of words.
No, that's possible. Like that, BJP and MGP are also in a war of words. They start no. When there is alliance or when there is supposed to be alliance to get their pound of flesh, there will be a war of words. There will be posturing. So that will be there. So I've always said all these parties should come together and think of Goa. Basically think of Goa, not about the parties. So I think it will happen as this, but like you're saying, they're taking too long to come to it. By now, everybody, any alliance or anything, they should have happened by now, like BJP is doing. You're right, we are not going in that speed that is supposed to go. There is a very good chance of Congress. Why not? We have seen in South Goa. We have to work in North Goa. We mean the Congress has to work in North Goa.
Do you think there is any leader left of Congress in Colombo to defeat Michael Lobo?
If Michael Lobo would have been defeated last time, he is not a leader. There is Congress in Colombo. And because Michael Lobo was scared the last time, he joined the Congress, won on the Congress party, and then ditched. If he had the guts, he should have contested on BJP or independent. So there are people like last Lok Sabha election, Congress has won there. So Congress is there. There is no leader. Forget the leaders. But Congress is there. People are with the Congress. The Congress leaders, not from Kalamud. आमचे सेंट्रलचे आणि व्हडले लीडर आहा पळय they are the people who are responsible for decline of Congress in Goa. All this selling of tickets, I've said it many times, you all know it also. And those leaders are being promoted. So that is the problem with the Congress.
No, but everybody says now it's difficult to defeat Michael.
Nobody says there has to be a time when people thought Churchill could not be defeated, Louisin could not be defeated, all these big leaders could not be defeated. There was a time Babush could not be defeated in Panjim. So there is nothing like that. When the people realize, you see, Michael has ditched the people. Michael has cheated the people. So I think it will be easier to defeat Michael now. Because people have seen through him. People have seen what he has done with the PDA and ODPs. People have seen what he has done with the religious the belief of people. So अगले देवाशी नोंदून सांगले आपण वयतो ना म्हणून. So फटयला लोकांक फटयला न्हू. So लोक तर तरी फोटिंगाक वोट घालता then Goa is doomed. If people after knowing all this they still work for Michael, then it is doomed. See people say आम्ही Michaelला वोट घालता BJP घालिना, but see what is BJP is doing. Michael फाल्यां BJP नच आहा न्हू. So I got nothing personal against Michael, but what he is doing is wrong. You go देवाशी नोंदून तुम्ही जुरामीन दिताय, काँग्रेसीचे वोट घेताय आणि मागीर सांगताय आपण म्हणकूच ना म्हणून. There are videos of him saying that आपण देवाक मानता, ह्या देवाक मानता, पण केन्नाच उरचो ना म्हणून.
सर तुवें लास्ट टायम सांगलें काँग्रेसीक एक विजयाची गरज आहा. विजया काँग्रेसी गरज ते केन्ना जातलो?
केन्ना जातले? ते काँग्रेसीन हांव काँग्रेसीन ना आनी
काँग्रेस लिडर न्हू.
हांव ना रे बाबा, हांव काँग्रेसीन ना.
सपोर्ट करता
ना हांव विल सपोर्ट. सो आय एम नॉट अ लिडर.
जावपाक जाय चिंता तूं?
जावपूच जाय. नॉट ओन्ली विजय. हांव सांगता सगळे पार्टी एकठांय जावंक जाय म्हणून. नॉट ओन्ली विजय. विजयाकूय गरज आहा. हांवें पार्टी सांगला विजयाकूय काँग्रेसाची गरज आहा, काँग्रेसीक विजयाची गरज आहा, काँग्रेसीक आम आदमीची खंयचो खंयचो जाय पळय थिंगा येवंक जाय.
तुका दिसना तें बेगीन जावपाक जाय म्हणून एडमिटल जालें
हांव सांगता आयज जावना पूण काँग्रेसीचो प्रॉब्लेम तो न्हू. काँग्रेस सदांच 15 दीस आसतना हें करता आनी दॅट इज वेर वी लूज.
External content against Michael Lobo.
Who?
Will you contest against?
Independent?
Yeah, anyway.
With the
Congress
support of the alliance.
to defeat Michael Lobo.
I would. If the opportunity is given to me, I would. Why not? If there is nobody else, I would. But I think there are people who can take on Michael Lobo in Kalamud, besides me also. And Michael was scared last time also. This time also is scared to contest on BJP. तेका लागून तो आपणाची पार्टी करता म्हणटा आनी कितें करता म्हणटा and that is why BJP will try to give him something now. Reshuffle आहा कितें आहा म्हणटा. BJP will also try to show that we are making a Catholic minister just to this pull wool over the eyes of the people. So Michael, nobody is indefeatable. Nobody is invincible. I have given you examples of top leaders who have been defeated by newcomers also. So it is not that you cannot defeat, it's the people. Congress is there in Kalamur. Congress is there in North Goa. It's the leaders who are not taking everybody together and bringing up that.
Okay, आणि एक विषय म्हणतात या दिवसांनी